Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video. Welcome to the Dubai series. I hope you are all doing fine, and make sure to like, share and subscribe and comment down below and tell me how you guys are enjoying the Dubai series. Currently we are at Global Village. It's my first time here obviously, but the sunset behind is so cute. I will put clips of the sunset here, but we're going in now. It's currently I think 6:30 or something. My watch is on Dubai on India time, so in India it is going to be 8, so probably it's 6:30 here or 7, but it's quite bright. And I'll stay tuned for the Global Village vlog. So basically Global Village is like a full place where you have different pavilions of different places like Europe, India, Pakistan, and you get like different stuff from all these places. I'm excited for the strawberry milk chocolate thing to try. I know it's here and we're here specifically for that, so I'm excited to try that. Let's go see what we can see inside. This right here looks straight out of a Disney movie setup, like Aladdin's palace or Jasmine's palace. Really cute. So you have to get tickets to enter inside, and they're going to get tickets there. I'm just gonna stand here. This is the exit. I think the entrance is there, that side. But look at how pretty this looks behind me. By next month they would shut this because they don't have it in summer here because it gets really hot. Thus we decided to come here today and get over with. I can see a churro board, it's inside, and we want to try that too. We are inside and there's a Statue of Liberty right over there. So I'm guessing that's supposed to be the US, Big Ben, and China, the pyramids. So that's Statue of Liberty, not sure, Big Ben, China. There's the pyramids over there somewhere. I just saw there. Oh, there. That's the pyramids. So we entered from here. Look at how pretty London looks. So there are stores all over. You can go and shop. We got the Eiffel Tower and the Opera House of Sydney. I'm guessing India. The food here looks so good. Everything looks very unhealthy, but it also looks so good. So we got the Turkish ice cream there. The thing that he does with the spoon and doesn't give you the ice cream. We're trying the viral chocolate on strawberry thing, but we can choose any other fruit here. And we were going to go with pomegranate, but then we were like, will it taste good, will it not taste good? So we're just going with mixed fruit now. So we're taking a bunch of different fruits. No, okay, we are doing strawberries. It's not mixed fruit. We're just taking the safe route. Strawberry because we just want to do it safe. We didn't know how the other fruits would taste with chocolate. We'll try it later, but first we'll just start with chocolate. Strawberry is for now, and I'm gonna try it.
There should be more chocolate.
It's nice, but I feel like they could have used a better chocolate. The milk chocolate isn't milk chocolating the way it should. This strawberry thing cost us 35 dirhams, probably around 800 bucks. That's why we were a bit confused what to take, because it is pricey, but it's good for, like, you can make this at home. You can just get milk chocolate and, you know, try it out.
When people don't get chocolate, see what they do in Dubai.
These chocolate lovers who don't get.
Every bit of chocolate is important. To be honest, the quality of chocolate wasn't that great, but it was okay. It was our first time trying that, so it's fine. You guys can make it at home. It's no big deal. We are entering Pakistan now. I can see some really cute fabrics, so I'm gonna check them out. Definitely going to try that maybe when we're returning or something. Keeping space in my stomach for a lot of things, because there's so much you can try here. You can't try everything in one day, but I don't know if I'll reach back, so let's just see. We spotted churros, so we're walking towards it. We're giving first preference for sweet stuff and then the savory. So we took premium churros. There's Spanish and premium. In Spanish you can choose only one sauce. In premium you can choose two. So I think we're gonna go with Nutella and pista. So we took the premium one. So we just got our churros. There's a Nutella and a pista dip over here. So this is the Nutella dip and we got the pista dip. And these are the churros. This was around 30 dirhams. Okay, I'm opening the dips now. Oh, this looks so good. That is pista. It is so good. This cinnamon on it, which makes it 10 times better. Trying the pista now.
So tasty.
And the chocolate strawberries, this was worth. Not that that was bad, but I feel like this just hits better.
How come you started recording?
Was so good. I really enjoyed it. So the prices here of like the food range around 30-35, just like that, and you know some things will be 25. So let's see what else we try. I really want to try that pasta beer, but we'll see later. There are people who are literally picnicking out here with like a full-blown blanket, food, and they're having the time of their life. Meanwhile, we're just eating chocolate. I'm going mad looking at all the food here. I want to try everything, but I don't have the capacity to eat so much. Let's see. I will try food if I can today. Lots. There's something very interesting there. It's called the Cyber City. I'm gonna go check it out. So look at this. So basically it's a stunt show, but I don't think it's there now. There's another timing. So next time. We're going into China. There was a lot of Korean skincare that I came across, but I didn't know what to get and what not to get. So I ended up getting nothing. Like always, I got confused and bought nothing. Also, it's like 100 dirhams, which is basically 2000. So it's basically 2000 rupees one product. So I skipped on that. They had some really cute stuff in there, like makeup brushes and stuff, but I didn't get anything. I do have a lot of makeup brushes, so I'm not in a hurry to get any right now. So I will check that out later.
I'll take you.
We are going into America right now. Honestly, you cannot cover all of this in one day. You need more days. And even if you want to like eat all the food, you can't eat it all in one day. There's so much you can eat over here. I'm going to need another day at least to explore this properly. I am going into Thailand now. They are known for their shopping. So let's see what we get over there. We went into Thailand and I purchased two stuff. I purchased a bracelet for 30 dirhams and a top, a basic tank top for 35. It looked really cute, and I don't have a lot of cotton clothes, so now that I'm in Dubai, I need it, so I got cotton clothes. This is what Europe looks like, and I'm excited for this one the most. Let's go in. We are going for round 2 of these chocolate strawberry thing, but these are the authentic ones. So we're going for round 2 of the chocolate strawberry thing. The first time we actually ate, those were not that authentic, like they're not the London ones. We came into the European pavilion and we found London ones, and the chocolate is hot, the strawberries look good, and they put it even properly, nicely. So let's see. I am going in. Let's see. Okay. The strawberries are cold and the chocolate's warm.
Meat also there. It was little.
The strawberries are good, but my teeth are very sensitive, so the cold strawberries are not letting me enjoy it nicely.
5 minutes later.
We are going to India now. I'm gonna hunt for Pani Puri because that is life. So let's go to India and find some Pani Puri. I saw some people eating show puri. I was legit about to go and ask them from where they got it, but hence I was like, don't, we are in India, we will get it, don't go and ask them. But I'm craving pani puri, show puri, all the street food from India. It's been 2 weeks now that I'm here in Dubai, and I'm missing the street food of India. I'm like, I want to eat it, I just want to eat it. So this is what India looks like. Obviously it looks great, very palacey. I'm finally eating pani puri. Finally got the pani puri. Can't wait to eat it. Going in the sweet and a bit of the green. Let's go. The puris though are not crispy, no. They are soft, but having that tamarind water made me feel so good. The last piece, chutney, Pani puri wasn't the best, but it felt like it gave me life. Also, like here in Dubai, spicy isn't really spicy, and I have like a very low spice tolerance, but even I don't find it spicy. So eating this pani puri really gave life to the spice in me. That there is Iran. It looks so good, and we got more places. Let's check them out. Check Iran out. This looks so good. Iran has got to be the best pavilion. It looks so grand. Just look at this. Iran has got to be the grandest pavilion. Like everything looks so well made here. I'm vlogging with NCR's phone because the storage in my phone is full. I need to upload the videos and delete the clips. But I've been facing this problem a lot since I've been making other vlogs longer. Here I have more content to shoot. Like in Global Village, I can make an entire vlog out of just Global Village. So I have more clips. But this storage problem is something that is going to haunt me for life, I guess. Here is a floating market that we're going to. I believe Singapore or Bangkok has that. It looks cool. Let's go. The floating market. Let's go see what they got. The floating market is just all food. I think different types of like Bangkok Thai food, octopus and stuff. And we are done with Global Village for today. We're going back out. The legs are gone and the amount of sugar we've consumed today is ridiculous. But also we walked that much, so we burned it. I'm hoping. But we're leaving now.